Hi and welcome to the February release of the Zendesk Announcements Report. So here's what we can expect from this session. The count of the updates is listed here, with the majority of them on the Admin Center and the AI functionality. So let's kick off with the announcements for the Admin Center. The first one is we can define relationships between custom objects and records and brands. With the help of lookup relationship fields, however, previously it wasn't possible, and now it is. We can define relationships between the custom object records and brands. This will help us to manage brand specific Zendesk data and custom data more cohesively. The next one is Data Export Tool for Legacy Custom Objects. Zendesk plans to sunset legacy custom objects by July 2026. To support a smooth migration for administrators, they are providing a data export tool. The tool lets admins to export these legacy custom object records and into a CSV file, and they can also modify it as necessary and then upload their data to the new custom objects using the data importer. What needs to be done? We need to verify if this change affects you. How can you do that? In the admin center, click on object and rules and then custom objects. If you don't see legacy custom objects listed, no action is required. If legacy custom objects are active in your account, we recommend you begin planning your migration now. Custom user field permissions. Zendesk are introducing custom user field permissions to control per custom role whether agents can view specific custom user fields on user profiles for both end users and agents. The new permissions are set on each custom user field in the admin center under configuration under user fields. New Google Workspace connectors for action flows. Three powerful new connectors for Action Builder: Google Gemini, Gmail, and Google Drive. With each, you can perform a specific action. Google Gemini to analyze the sentiment, extract keywords from, and summarize text, or categorize tickets automatically. Gmail to send outbound email through Gmail directly from an action flow. And Google Drive allows you to automatically search for, create, or organize files and folders in Google Drive. The last one from the Admin Center is about the verification for anonymous Help Center requests. Starting March 9th, to better protect the customers, Zendesk has implemented a new workflow requiring anonymous end users submitting requests through the Help Center to verify their email address. Submissions from anonymous end users will create a suspended ticket and send a verification email to the email address entered by the requester. The ticket remains in a suspended state until either the end user clicks the verification link in that email or the agent manually recovers the suspended ticket on the end user's behalf. If you have any questions about this announcement, please reach out to us and we can respond. Moving on to support, spelling and grammar checker for ticket conversations. Now, when you write a response in the ticket composer, the spelling and grammar checker automatically flags potential errors. Spelling issues are underlined in red and grammar issues are underlined in blue. When you click on an underlined word or phrase, the checker provides suggestions for updating the text. You can accept or reject the suggestion. It can be this setting can be enabled or disabled from the admin center. Going to messaging, transcript downloads for messaging. Zendesk introduced a new self-service transcript download capability for Zendesk messaging. With this update, end users can download the transcript of their conversation directly from the native messaging experience. The option is available at any time during a conversation, provided that the end user has sent at least one message. The capability is available now for the web widget and will be available for mobile SDKs in March. This feature is turned off by default. You can turn it on or off in Admin Center as a global setting that affects all channels. Moving on to voice, we have business unit, voicemail, and direct agent routing settings in Contact Center. Just as a reminder, Contact Center is a new telephony solution, omnichannel support with enterprise grade telephony, digital channels, proactive outbound, and unified customer data that enables personalized context rich support. So, the added settings allow contact center admins to first configure public holidays per business unit and enact emergency closures at either the department or specific queue level. The new settings also allow admins to create queue specific voicemails that arrive as tickets with call details and attach audio file you can play in ticket and optional transcription, and they can also easily map DID numbers to route directly to agents with sample flows available. Announcing Voice AI Agents. Zendesk opened an early access program for Zendesk Voice AI Agents, which is a natively integrated agentic voice automation solution that delivers natural, real time conversations over the phone. Eligible customers can opt in to build and assign generative voice AI agents to Zendesk voice phone lines to automate routine phone support and handle more sophisticated workflows. Some of the key capabilities are end to end voice automation from greeting, intent capture, resolution, and wrap up, and also seamless escalation to human agents using omnichannel or talk native routing with full call context and transcription based to agent workspace. Eligible clients are the ones with enabled Zendesk Voice and AI Agents Advanced. And the last one from Voice is forwarding caller ID for Zendesk Voice. Before, when forwarding calls, Zendesk could pass along the original caller ID, which already used the talk number as caller ID. Now, a new per line setting lets admins control which caller ID is presented on calls forwarded by IVR or workflow. We can choose from caller's number, which is the default setting, talk number, or talk number for anonymous calls only. The new setting allows you to choose the most reliable, regulation friendly option per line. To take an action, you should review the phone lines and forward calls to as part of an IVR or overflow and choose the appropriate option per line. Now let's take a look at analytics. We have just one announcement in regards to this product, which is the Quick Answers Analytics Dashboard. Zendesk have added the new Quick Answers dataset and Quick Answer tab to the pre-built Zendesk Knowledge Analytics Dashboard. The tab provides more transparency into how search delivers quick answers and the effectiveness of those. All Zendesk Knowledge customers will see the Quick Answers dashboards regardless of whether they have used the feature yet. If the feature is not enabled on your account, the tab might appear empty. But this will be useful for all the customers have enabled Quick Answers. Quick Answers is a powerful new feature that provides a generative answer to a question asked by the customer in the help center or by an admin or by an agent via the context panel in the agent workspace. If enabled by the admin, of course, it can be used and you can see the report in analytics. Let's focus on the workforce management announcements now. Unified agent status synchronization for Zendesk Workforce Management. There is no need for agents to update their availability in two systems. Unified agent status synchronization with workforce management allows admins to map agent statuses to specific work streams. Workforce management forecast scenarios. All Zendesk Workforce Management customers can now access forecast scenarios. Scenarios allows you to create multiple versions of forecasts, assess and compare them, and then select the most suitable one as the active scenario. The tool is designed to provide flexibility and control over forecast planning by allowing you to simulate various scenarios without impacting the existing data or results. Let's take a look at AI functionalities now. Event logging in Copilot Auto Assist. Admins and agents can view the following Auto Assist events in the ticket events log. The first one is approved reply suggestions and the agent who approved them. And the second one is completed actions, the name of the actor under which an action was executed, and the action execution status. It could be completed, skipped, or failed. Failed actions are also visible in the conversation log to make it easier for agents to understand potential issues with actions. This information can be used to review auto assist performance and improve it by tweaking the procedures, articles, and an existing auto assist configuration. Introducing Copilot AI writing tools for professional plans and above. Starting February 16th, capped Copilot capabilities will be included at no additional cost in Suite, Support, and Employee Service Professional plans and above, beginning with generative AI writing tools that provide each team member 5 uses per month for ticket comments. Additional capped Copilot features will be rolled out throughout 2026 with ongoing updates shared along the way. Admins can turn the enhanced writing feature off or on and select which groups have access. Admins can also keep track of usage through a dedicated dashboard available in Admin Center to monitor activity and upgrade as needed. Agents, on the other hand, will be notified in the Composer when they reach their monthly allowance. Pre-approved actions in Copilot Auto Assist. Auto Assist can execute selected custom actions and action flows automatically without agent's approval. Admins can mark any custom action or action flow in procedures as pre-approved. When Auto Assist decides to execute such an action, it will do so without suggesting this action to an agent for approval and instead execute the action automatically. There are some risks with using pre-approved actions. It's not guaranteed when actions will run in a conversation, and pre-approved actions may be executed in a different order than specified in a procedure. Sandbox provisioning for AI agents advanced. When a sandbox is provisioned, two advanced AI agents are automatically created for you, one for messaging and one for email. You must either connect the AI agent to messaging or connect the AI agent to email in the sandbox. If needed, you can clone additional advanced AI agents from your production environment into your sandbox or create a new AI agent in your sandbox environment. This enables self service access to sandbox AI agents, allowing you to freely test advanced AI agent functionality without consuming automated resolutions. If you don't already have a sandbox environment, your sandbox AI agents will automatically be created when you create or sync a sandbox. If you already have a sandbox environment, Zendesk will automatically migrate your existing AI agents to a dedicated sandbox organization in phases from now through April this year. You'll be notified by email before your migration date, and your current setup continues working as is until then. Streamline processes for the advanced AI agent email channel integration. The connection between an advanced AI agent and the email channel is now based on subdomain. This means you can connect an advanced AI agent only to the production or sandbox subdomain of the environment it was created in. Additionally, you no longer need to create an authorized user to send responses from an advanced email AI agent. Going forward, advanced email AI agents use an internal system user to send emails in response to customers. This means that no agent seat needs to be utilized for an advanced email AI agent. Customers continue to receive the AI agent's email response from the brand name and support address you've selected in Admin Center. However, in the agent workspace, the ticket shows the AI agent's response as coming from the system user. If you've previously created an authorized user and were using it only for the advanced email agent, you can remove it to reclaim an agent seat in your account or else utilize it in a different capacity as needed. Form messages on social channels. This is a solution that allows customers to be able to gather data in a structured way, regardless of the channel they use. Previously, form messages were only supported by our web widget and mobile SDKs and only supported email, select, and text field types. Zendesk have now extended form message support across the social messaging channels and expanded the list of supported field types to include integer and decimal. The next steps depend on how you plan to leverage this new release. They will differ for all three: AI Agent Essentials, AI Agent Advanced, or directly via the Sunshine Conversation API or for Agent Workspace. Instant AI agent answers in the web forms. Zendesk are improving the web form experience so requesters can get help faster without leaving your website. With this update, after a requester clicks submit on a web form, they will see a dialog that displays the AI agent response right away. This lets requester get an answer immediately in the browser without needing to switch to their email. And here on the slide, you can see an example. The AI agent's response also includes feedback buttons that the customer can click to indicate whether the AI agent solved their issue. If the customer clicks "This helped solve my request," the ticket is solved and an internal note is added to the ticket. If the customer clicks "I still need help," or if the AI agent can answer the customer question, the ticket is escalated to a human agent. These same feedback buttons will be also available in the email channel. To see the updated AI agent experience on the web form channel, you must republish your AI agent. And with this one, we are moving to development where we have the last announcement for this month. Jira Service Support transition to maintenance mode. Atlassian ended official support for Jira Server on February 15th, 2024. Since that date, Atlassian no longer provides security updates, bug fixes, or technical support for Jira Server. Now Zendesk is moving to maintenance mode, which ensures responsible platform alignment while maintaining access for customers who continue to use Jira Server. If you are currently using Jira Server, you may continue using the integration as is. However, for long-term platform stability, security alignment, and access to ongoing feature enhancements, Zendesk recommends evaluating migration to Jira Cloud and the Zendesk Jira version 2 integration. Please make sure to message us if you have any questions about the announcements we just went through. Thank you very much for watching these month's announcements and see you next time.